What's happening? Your boy Taz, Tate Woo Woo Jr. Hey, today's task is to get back to where I left off at from yesterday. I'm fucking with the fuel sending unit right now. See, there's a lot of rust, as you guys can see right here. And there's a plastic cover that I'm about to unsnap and see what all lies underneath that plastic cover. Okay, so we're going to need a prawn, a male pigtail attached to the top of the fuel sending unit right here. That's the male. This actually is the plug right here that plugs into it like this here. It will plug into it. Yes, sir. So now I'm gonna work on that. This is how it's on here. Now from this angle here, you can see that the stems are up and the snappers are right here and right here. All right, the same side as the float. Okay. So yeah, all this comes apart like that. That's the fuel sending unit. That's the bottom of it. Yucky. Yep. I got the new ones. These are the new ones. This is the new fuel strainer that attaches to the bottom like this. Okay, that's precision product. That is a precision product. That's the part number. This is the fuel pump of the product, which is the main part. Now with it, that's the new one. And these are this is the hardware that comes with it. So it shouldn't be no excuse because, which makes that fuel sending unit the new fuel sending unit. All in one setup. So we get this here worked out and go from there on that. That's that goddamn 9300 Core LS. Yeah, and it's that Mazda 6. That's that Mazda 6. Brand new, don't get it twisted now. Yeah. Got some work to do, man.